Hello everyone, we're going to make these beautiful flowers using craft paper. So fold this red color of craft paper and make this triangular shape. Now we're going to fold the corners as well like we're doing here, and look, your flower is ready. Now flip it and fold it from its bottom part and make this triangular shape. Keep folding from the sides as well. After folding it, keep it aside. Now take this green color of paper, roll it and make a stick. Similarly, we're going to fold this paper and make the leaves of the flower as well. So make multiple fold like this, and look, the leaf is ready. Make two such leaves and paste all of them on the flower stick like this, and look, your tulip flower is ready. You can make more such colorful flowers. Let's make this beautiful flower bouquet. We're going to make it using craft paper. So take this yellow color of paper, paste the stick and leaves of the flower. Now cut a red circle. Now we are going to cut a spiral circle inside it like this. And after cutting the circle like we are doing here, we are going to hold it from its one end from the outside and keep rolling it like we are doing here in the video. And look, you will get this beautiful rose flower at the end. Paste it using glue or hot glue gun from the base part, and look, it's ready. After this, we're going to paste it on the top of the flower stick and make more such flowers and paste it like this. Write a message and look, your flower bouquet is ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful flower bouquet out of tissue paper. You can take toilet paper in place of this or crepe paper. So make multiple fold of the tissue paper and tie it at the center like we're doing here. Now take a sketch pen and we're going to color the tip of the paper like this. Do the same from other side as well. After this, we are going to open all of them like this. So yeah, do the same from other side as well, and your flower is ready. After doing this, we are going to get all of them and hold it like this. Now paste it on this green color of stick. After this, we are going to cut the leaves of the flower using green color of craft paper and paste all of them together. Put it on this yellow color of paper and make a bouquet like this. Hold it, tie a ribbon, and look, your beautiful bouquet is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower using craft paper. So take this yellow color of paper, fold it into half and again fold it from its corners. Pull the paper downward like this. Now flip it and fold it again from this side. Here we are going to make the flower petal. So one petal is ready. Total we are going to make 8 such petals and tuck all of them one after another like we are doing here in this video, and make a circle like this, and look, your flower is ready. After making the flower, we are going to paste a smiley face at the center and at the back side as well. Paste a stick and leaves as well on the flower using green color of craft paper, and look, it's ready. Let's make this beautiful flower using craft paper. So take this purple color of paper and fold it from its diagonals. Fold it again, press it and make this triangular shape. Now we are going to fold it from its corner as well. So start folding it from the sides. Now we are going to flip the paper and fold it from this side as well. After doing this, we are going to gently flip the paper and start folding it from the bottom part one after another, and flip it again and start folding like we're doing here in this video. After doing this, cut it from the base and gently open it using your fingers. Look, your flower is ready. Curl the petals using a stick, or you can take a pencil as well. After curling the petals, your flower is ready. Now make the leaves of the flower using green color of paper. Cut the leaf and roll a stick, and we're going to put it inside the flower and paste the leaves as well, and look, your beautiful flower is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.